Project 2 by Austin Hardy. Chapter 1, Educational Psychology. What is education psychology? Education psychology is the study of learning and teaching. For someone like myself who is trying to pursue my teaching career, and it's very important that I accumulate knowledge, wisdom, and Cedar Pans theory. Chapter 2, Cognitive Development. What is cognitive development? Cognitive development is the field of the study of neutral science, and psychology focuses on a child's development. Development refers to how people grow and adapt and change over the course of their lifetime. There are many developments throughout this chapter, such as personality development and socio-emotional development, and cognitive development and language development. Moral, social, and emotional development. What is social, moral, and emotional development? Social development refers to the process when a child learns to interact with others around them. Moral development is the process thought when children develop proper attitude and behavior towards others in society. Also, moral society wouldn't be able to function without rules. Emotional development emerges of the experience, expression, and understanding. Student diversity. Students learn about different culture during their education, feels more comfortable and safe with these differences. Many students differ in many different ways, such as disabilities, and some are gifted in other ways. This chapter discusses most important ways that North American students differ, and some of the methods by their teachers can accept, accommodate, and celebrate student diversity in daily teaching. Behavior and social theories of learning. Behavior learning focuses on the ways that pleasurable or unpleasant sequences of change behavior over time. Learning is usually defined as a change in the individual caused by experience. Defined as a long-lasting change in learner's knowledge as a result of learning real quick. Social learning theories focus on the effect of thought of action and of action on thought. Cognitive learning theories emphasize an observable mental process that people use to learn and remember the information or skill. All right, this is the end of my slideshow.